Hi students, I am Praveen Sebastian Paul. Today we are discussing the topic, the administrative structure of National Services Scheme. A youth program like National Services Scheme requires administrative structures at various levels for its successful planning and implementation. Therefore, the organizational structure has been divided in the central level, state level, university or +2 board level, and also in institution level. It is vital for the program to get support at all levels so that we can make sure that the program and the activities get the required attention. So if we are looking the various levels of this administration, the main or the core administrative organization is the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports of Government of India. And the Joint Secretary of this department is the coordinator of the NSS activities in our country. Under this office, we can see a Program Advisor Cell, otherwise it is known as PA Cell, which is headed by a Program Advisor. Under this Program Advisor Cell, we can see three different levels of administrative structure. First one is NSS Regional Centre. Under every regional center, one or more states are look after for proper working of the NSS activities. And also under the PA cell, we can see a ETI cell, that is Empaneled Training Institution. These ETIs ensure training for different levels of NSS organization. And the third and most important major division is the state government level activities. The Principal Secretary of the Department of Education under the state government will be the in charge of the NSS activities of his state. Under this Principal Secretary of Department of Education, we can see an NSS State Liaison Cell which is headed by State Liaison Officer. And every university as well as the +2 boards of a state comes under this State Liaison Cell. In every university there will be a NSS coordinator in charge. And the fundamental unit of activities is the college level or the institution level. The principal of the institution or the head of the institution should guide and monitor all the NSS activities. Under the head of the institution, we can see a program officer. This program officer should be a dynamic personality who continuously motivate, encourage all these volunteers for different NSS activities happening around our country. So under a program officer, a maximum of 100 volunteers will form an NSS unit, the fundamental unit of National Services Scheme, which means the basic structure is a NSS unit which consists of a maximum of 100 NSS volunteer, which is headed by a program officer, and this program officer report to the principal or head of the institution, and this head of the institution is directly connected with the program coordinators at the university or +2 board level, and this program coordinator communicate with the state NSS liaison cell. This liaison cell is headed by state liaison officer. He report all the activities to the Principal Secretary for the Department of Education of state government, and this Principal Secretary is reporting to the Program Advisor Cell or PA cell, which is headed by Program Advisor, and this Program Advisor is reporting to the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. So this is the major administrative structure of National Services Scheme. So the National Services Scheme is a India government sponsored public service program which is conducted by the Department of Youth Affairs and Sports of Government of India. And the Honorable Minister for the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports is Sri Kiran Rijiju. He is a Lok Sabha member from the state of Arunachal Pradesh, and he is representing the constituency of Arunachal West. Dr. Kamal Kumarkar is the Assistant Program Advisor who is in charge of Program Advisor Cell of the Directorate of NSS under the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. So if we are considering the administrative structure, we can see a regional NSS regional centers. If you are considering these NSS regional centers, we can see 15 NSS regional centers in our country to maintain the liaison with the state government, university and the national government for the effective implementation of National Services Scheme. The NSS regional centers is organized depending upon the volunteer strength and size of the state. The regional centers is either headed by the Deputy Program Advisor or an Assistant Program Advisor. The first regional center is Ahmedabad, is the state of Gujarat. The Union Territory of Daman and Diu and Dadra Nagar Haveli comes under this Ahmedabad regional center. And for the state of Karnataka, the regional directorate is situated in Bangalore. For the state of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, the regional directorate is situated in Bhopal. And for the state of Odisha, Bhubaneswar is the regional center. For the states of Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and for the Union Territory of Chandigarh, the regional directorate is located in Chandigarh. For the state of Tamil Nadu and the Union Territories of Puducherry, Andaman and Nicobar, the regional directorate is located in Chennai. For the Union Territory of Delhi, Haryana, Jammu and Kashmir, the regional directorate is located in Delhi. And the Guwahati Regional Directorate is covering the administrative power of 8 states, consisting of Assam, Tripura, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, and Sikkim. For the states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Hyderabad is the regional directorate. For Rajasthan, Jaipur is the regional directorate. For West Bengal, Kolkata is the regional directorate. For the states of Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, Lucknow is the regional directorate. For Jharkhand and Bihar, Patna is the regional directorate. For Goa and Maharashtra, the regional directorate is located in Pune. For the state of Kerala and the Union Territory Lakshadweep, Thiruvananthapuram is the regional directorate. So we can see 15 NSS regional centers in our country to maintain the liaison with the state government, university, +2 councils, and for providing training for the NSS coordinators, program advisors, and the volunteers for the effective implementation of NSS program. These regional centers are either headed by the deputy program advisor or an assistant program advisor. In this lecture, we had discussed about the administrative structure of NSS. Hope you had understood this topic. Dear students, kindly go through these assignment questions. Question number 1 is brief the organizational structure of NSS. Second one is how many NSS regional centers are there in our country. Third one is write in detail about the NSS regional centers. Dear students, on the upcoming lectures, we will discuss further about these administrative structures. Until then, goodbye, all the best, and thank you.